Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today's video is about how to propagate money plant. Propagation means how you can regrow several money plant from one parent money plant. So after watching my home garden video, many people have asked me how to get healthier, bushier money plant. As you can see in the video, my money plant is really doing so well. So in this video, I will be sharing you few tips and tricks of how to get a healthier money plant simultaneously, how you can easily propagate money plant. So here I have propagated so many money plant out of parent money plant. So the idea is that if you have to grow money plant, you need to understand that money plant can be grown in water or soil. It do not require any special maintenance and it can be grown from low light area to bright light area. Simultaneously, it is considered to be one of the best options for home decor to fill any empty space in your house, and also it is considered to be one of the finest air purifiers according to NASA study. So to start with propagation, first you have to find out a healthy long vine from parent money plant. So here I am going to cut the vine from parent money plant, and these are the nodes. Nodes are nothing but a point from where the leaves are coming out. So first you will be cutting out the vine. Now here start snipping from node point the way you can see in the video. So money plant propagation can be done either in water or soil, the choice is yours. So first I will be showing you how you can propagate money plant in soil. For that you require 5 to 6 inches deep pot. Start adding normal garden soil and then add this money plant. Now here if you can see, this plant is already rooted, so I have already grown the roots of this money plant in water for last 15 days and then I am potting it in a soil. So even that is one method of propagating money plant. Also you can directly soil the money plant in clay soil, not an issue, it will grow very well. And here you can see after few days there is already that one new leaf popping out from this plant. So the propagation of money plant in soil was successful, and this is how it is so easy and simple to propagate or regrow money plant in soil. Now growing money plant in water is also very simple. The procedure is same. You have to cut the vine from the nodal point. After snipping, start collecting all the stems together and put it in a glass filled with water. Remember to change the water after every 10 to 15 days. Also to enhance the beauty of the glass, try to add some pebbles and stones. So guys, here money plant can be grown in water or soil, the choice is again completely yours. What I do is first I root my money plant in water. After rooting I add it in a soil, and this helps the money plant to grow much better, much bushier and healthier. So to grow your money plant in a healthier way, all you have to do is start adding fertilizer once in a month. You can use liquid fertilizer called seaweed solution, and I will be leaving the link in the description box. Seaweed solution liquid fertilizer is very effective and it helps in proper growth of money plant or any kind of indoor and outdoor plant. Also you can use organic manure, even that is very good for every plant. Another tip for having healthier and bushier pothos is watering. Now only water pothos when the surface of the soil, the top surface of the soil completely get dry. If it is not dry, do not overwater pothos. Also I recommend that let the soil get the crack and then water it. You will see that pothos will be growing much faster. Many people love to grow money plant indoors, but if you are growing money plant indoors, see to it that at least once a week you keep this plant in sunlight, because this is going to help the plant to grow better. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment to our video. This is Vibha signing off.